Tia, are you preparing for the Hungarian Cultural Knowledge Exam and you don't know where to start? Hi, I'm Gyöngyi. I'm a Hungarian as a foreign language teacher. I've helped many students successfully prepare for the Hungarian Cultural Knowledge Exam. That's why I created an online course that fully prepares you for the Hungarian Cultural Knowledge Exam. You just need to follow the lessons and you can prepare on your own. But what actually happens in reality? My experience is that many people sign up to try the first lesson, where you can learn about the Hungarian coat of arms, but they either never start it or they only complete about 60% of it and don't continue. Well, this way it simply doesn't work. That's why I'm running now this 3-part webinar to guide you step by step through the first module, hold your hand along the way, and learn the first biggest exam topic together. There are 3 sessions in the webinar. In the first session, you will get the general information about the exam. Then we learn about the Hungarian coat of arms and the Hungarian flag. In the second session, we cover the crown jewels, the national anthem, and the appeal. In the third session, we will learn about the 3 Hungarian national holidays, and we will practice real exam questions. After each session, there's a Q&A where you can ask your questions and I will try to answer them. If you want to feel more confident and prepared for the exam, join the webinar now. You can find the link below. Participation in the webinar is free, but registration is required. I hope to see you there. See ya.